money here. PM repairs, base liquid line, suction line, Schrader, core top off charge, start unit, RT9, burnt wire per circuit 2, contactor, RTU 15, install flare caps, top off refrigerant, bang bang. That's gonna finish my day off. 9, we're on a roof full of stuff. That says split. 23 split 1 equals English. There's number 15. This one says number 1, so pretty simple. We got valve cores leaking. We got burnt wires on one of them too. Top up some juice. Should be easy money. Just gotta figure out what type of refrigerant this one has, which normally the labels right where that bad boy is. We are at unit 1. Ticket states to replace some valve cores. So here goes nothing, folks. Look at that valve core. Shiny. So, just for the work notes. Like a drug dealer bag, boy. So this is how we go. That were to shoot out, you know something's not right. It's not shooting out, so on to the next one. Some old R22 cores, boy. Shooting back, you know that one's good. Description says number 9, RTU number 9. This is not an RTU. I went around. There's a serial number on the RTU. This serial number is not makeable, so open her up. Check the serial numbers on all the RTU units twice. Again, this one's not legible. I can't make a serial number out of that. I got serial 0671. It's not. We got some burnt, pitted up contactors, so I'm gonna take this with me. And I'm gonna look at my ticket, and 2754 is not 2-stage, whatever. That's what it's getting. New contactor. Number 15. This one is 410A. So It says put flare caps. Ooh, yeah. She's a leaker. She's a leaker. She's a leaker too. So we'll get 2 flare caps for that. And some 410. Now on all the units I just looked at, I got the disconnect off, so we can get some type of heat load and I can do my thing. I got my nameplate, so I know what contactor to grab out the truck. So now down I go. For you guys here, if your contactor has the nameplate on it and it's got the low voltage or the contact points on the top, it is going to be a 24 volt contactor. If the contacts are on the bottom, it's going to be a 208 contactor. That's a little tip for you guys that don't know what's up here. I went down to my truck and no comprende, no inglés. I'm assuming right there it says 24 volts, but can't read. So remembered seeing the low voltage on the top, said I know what contactor I gotta get. The low voltage was on the top. And there she is. Easy money, guys. Tip of the day from Nate. Tip of the day from Nate. That's real flippin' nice. A piece of copper, guys. Come on. They put a 2-pole in there, so now I'm actually gonna put the 3rd pole on there. Yay. And break it downstairs and fuses for that one. So now we're on to charging that one and this one. We're using 427 Estos and C128. So when I flick this on, hopefully she comes on. And we know we gotta add a little bit. I'm on 404, so let me go to, I'm just gonna set it on R22 value. She's gonna be low. They wouldn't have rolled it up if it wasn't. There's a chart, or just give it a little bit and hope for the best. Gauge readings. Cool with it. You see I worked in the rain like that. Is what it is. It'll dry out. It's 85 degrees today, so we let it run, see what happens. Replace the valve, of course. You know, I did my monthly maintenance on these guys. Boy, look at this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No more getting squirted. You got brand new seals in there. Look at that. Oh, baby. So this one gets some flares, or O-rings, not flares. And come on, nice and tight, baby. Ooh-wee. Pull the work phone out. Bam. Button it up, onto the next one. Just turns into a nightmare time and time again. Yeah, the buzz of death. Look at that though. So, coming in, obviously, see if I can do this one-handed for y'all. Coming in, you got 215, 215, 215. Come over here, 170, 170, not proper voltage, obviously. Hopefully it's the wires. There's some wire nuts right there, so I'll do what I can do. Well, I had old blue wire nut in a tool bag here from the install today, so nice. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Popped on. We gave her a little juju. So, is what it is. A couple pounds of juju got her back up to where she needed to be. I didn't bring my scale up. I won't know exactly what I put in there till I get down to the truck. It's all just guesstimates. Now I'm off to go back to the copper pipe over there and figure out where the electric is for that one. Just got to give it 10-15 minutes to run, make sure it's still in range, and put some caps. One that's popped. It's not enough for a condenser. Nothing in there. Here's some condensers in RTUs. Spot it. Easy money. Popped. Not my problem. Fuses should be in action. Look at that. I keep a lot of clutter in my little bag here. My little 4-volt Denali with a thermostat screw and a washer is going to come in some serious types of handy right about now. 4 volts, baby! Whew. That's an old screw. Got one of these newer shiny bit tips. She's in there. We got no thermostat call. She's working. Nate gets to go home a few times. Wrong unit, but that one's on. That one's on. And that one's on. That's my junk. That's how you don't get callbacks. 8 o'clock at night, 9 o'clock at night when you just get home and have to come back. So, if you made it this far in the video, guys, I need some subscribers, man. Please subscribe if you've made it this far. Help a brother out. That's how I get some money. I need about 700 subscribers, and I'll be rolling in the dough. Thank you, guys.